look at this one. This one has innovation buttons inside. It's getting interesting. We're gonna take a ride on this one. You can see the fluids going by, and we're lovely. Here we are on 21. This is getting interesting. Casino. Stopping at 4. Going down?
Yes, sir.
Come on in.
How you doing?
Doing good. How about you?
Pretty good.
Here you go. Go ahead. Have a good day.
You too.
Come on in. You want to come in?
Come out.
Look at this one. This one is innovation buttons.
Oh, wow.
Weird. Got a nice cab there. It's definitely hard. Look at this. These definitely had delta buttons at one point, and they should replace these with the innovation. Kind of odd. Here we are, 21. Back down to the casino. So this is the only one in the whole bank that has replacement buttons.
Oh, wow.
It's kind of weird. And here we are at the casino level. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.